Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. And we also do inspirational stories, and we do these Tech Tuesdays. So today we're back again with another Tech Tuesday. Make sure you do like and subscribe so that way you'll get notifications when these Tech Tuesdays are coming out, or whatever Brian and I are putting out there, so that way you get a notification. Put in the comments and in the email if there's something you're held up on, or you just need some helpful tips. We're always more than happy to try to put together a video that pertains to that question. So the question that we had, and we kind of put these in a couple multiple segments because there were several questions about batteries and the shooting of the 70D camera, longevity, things like that. So I wanted to put this one into another segment in regards to the, as you see here, this is a dual battery connector for your Canon 70D. These actually work great. Very, very nice. You can purchase these directly from Canon. We recommend the one from Canon because it works a lot better, and it's, it actually, you can buy it as a kit with the batteries and or just the bottom platform itself, and you do get a little bit of a discount if you buy it with the batteries or in a kind of a kit. So this is basically the kit that Canon does provide you. You just basically, slide it up in and screw it on and tighten it on. And the battery, of course, the connectors will connect right up into your existing battery area. And then it has the two batteries. Very simple, very easy to use and install, and it doubles the life of your recording. So if you're doing something that's 2-3 hours recording, if you're videoing something in nature and you're just waiting for that event to happen, this is the best for long recording. And again, make sure you do use the batteries that are provided by Canon. If you do get aftermarket, you might be disappointed how long it will record. And if you're trying to get something and it was an hour and a half long segment and your batteries died at an hour, then you just kind of wasted your time. So that was the question there, as far as the extra added battery pack that's sold by Canon and aftermarket as well, but we do recommend the Canon one. So we'll see you on the next video.